What's that? Oh, who are you?
I'm just the person who tells people where Hastings Cutoff leads to.
Oh, what Hastings Cutoff?
It's gonna go this direction, man.
I'm right here.
This way, you're gonna turn around there and go across the river.
Is there any problems around this?
No, none.
Okay.
Well, maybe some small bears. No. They're tiny.
Oh,
They're tiny. All
there
right?
you go.
Like a chihuahua.
Okay, good.
They're vicious.
All right, we'll be on our way then. Thank you.
You have a nice.
Did you hear about the bear who ate a chicken?
No, I didn't hear about the bear who ate a chicken.
His mama was a goose.
Oh, yeah, that's such a joke. I'm really sick.
The road is starting to get snowy, and we're losing people.
The bear.
There's no more food, no more water. We're gonna start having to eat people. And my wife is dying. I'm going crazy. I need meat. I ate my wife today. So delicious. Can I have a piece? Please. I said yesterday, all this lobster. Who did you eat?
I found some frozen deer under the snow, man. Chill, homie.
Okay. My wife right here. Pretty tasty.
That's pretty nasty.
You guys came to save me.
Yes, we did. Why is there chicken on her nose?
I was eating her.
Ew!
I'm still a cannibal. With my restaurant here in San Francisco. Like Henry Bit.
What the f? I have no blood on you.
Andrew's supposed to be. There goes what it's mama.
You.
What did I do?
You.
What did I do?
Okay. Andrew, get over here. You ruined.
That's heavy.
That hurt so
I fell on you with the line.
Okay.